Hello, we're back. More rolling in. There's literally thousands of people here now. I saw a couple of bikes in my youth earlier on. There's a couple of motor guzzes and I've not seen them for years. And I mean years. Look at the paintwork on here. Those scooters I wanted to photograph, they've gone. Which I'm really gutted about because I should have took pictures and stopped the broadcast, but it don't matter because I've got my Periscope up to my YouTube later on. But there's more people rolling in now. It's absolutely insane. There's got to be a good 20,000 people here. Easily. Still not yet. Well, I'm hot, but I'm not bothered. Even though my left hip is now starting to rub. Thing is, you see bikes that you've seen before, and it's a bit generic. It's not so many classics and customs as what you thought you'd see. Sorry. That's nice. Vulcan. Triumph. As long as my battery holds out. Cut on that. That's mad. For one of those I've seen today. That is gorgeous. I love that blue. That electric blue. Look at it. There is so many people there, man. Well, and here's the first. Here's one of them. One of the bikes I've not seen as I was a kid. The Motor Guzzi. It's got fur all over it. Look. Motor Guzzi, California. Those high V-twin cylinders there. You don't get many of those now, man. What's that? Like the lilac on, and the same colour as my laptop. And coming in. Better step to it. Maybe the scooters up the other end. I'm hoping they are because I'm gutted I couldn't get any photos of them. Funny story. There's a Honda Camino, which is like a little mopedy thing when I was a kid. And I'm talking summer 76 actually, but this one I think is a bit later. I think it's a T-Reg, so it's the year after the summer of 76. And apparently the guy riding it is apparently bigger than me, built like a brick house, and he's wearing flip-flops and shorts, and everybody's laughing because they're coming on that. Maybe they did a trial, wasn't it? Well, I think you find a T-Reg little Camino there. It's going to be worth a lot of money. It's not in the best of nicks. Look at this, look. Amount of money tied up here. Oh, look at this. The colour of this. That is the colour of my laptop. Exactly the same. Well, for his filming fella. What we got here? Got a Harley.
Yeah, very popular.
Hey, look at this one. Look at the paint job on this. I was talking to some people who own this, and they're up from Kings Lynn. Look at this. Fat tyre on that one. Oh god, that yam's nice. My hip is starting to play up. I'm only 52. Oh, yam livery there. We got here another yam, an R6. Oh, it is an R6. I don't know my bikes. That's nice. This is gorgeous, like this gold. Alright, let's see what's up here. As you can see, there's absolutely thousands here. Absolutely thousands. It's all good though, man. It's all good.
Oh, Bantini. Oh, pink, purple.
And here it is. This is what this enormous guy come on. Honda Express. Little tiny thing. It's a little 50 engine now. As I said, they reckon a guy coming in there, it's built like a brick outhouse. I am I to judge. There's some nice trikes over or down now, which I took photos of. It's getting a bit packed. What we got here? Whoa, baby. Very nice. There's more over there I'm going to look at in a minute. Flipping. My legs are starting to hurt. Tell you what, troops, let's see what they got over here. That looks like a Beamer. By the look of it, yeah, it is. Start over here firstly. Oh, I like the colour of that one. One of the car parks, there's a trike, and it's got like a Volkswagen Beetle back, and it's got like a bike bit at the front, and it's in like purple colour. It's quite mad. Let's see what we got here. It's a Yam engine. It's definitely a Yam lump. That's thank you. That's CBR. The exhaust system's fucking insane. I remember the CBXs, if you remember those. Periscope, Twitter. 6 cylinders. Things like a built fucking outhouse. What colour of this? It's like the scooters I might have gone to last off. Because I know there's a thing over there today. Which is a shame really, because I wanted to photo a load. I don't know if I'll be going to the Great Yarmouth thingy. I said I weren't. Thank you. Said I weren't. I wasn't. An old GSX over here, troops. Got a couple of classics here. Sounds like karting or something over there. Look at it, look. Thousands of people. Ting. Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, look, another one. Club 50. Oh, have to take a picture of that. This is a sea of bikes, man. Right, I'm going to turn off now. Touch you troops in a bit.